Imeline ilm, nagu ma ütlesin, et 15 aastat koos elatud, kasvatud ühte. Ja nüüd on sellele kaunile armastuse puhul ainult kastmist vaja. Varsti tuleb ju, päike on nii kogu aeg paistnud. Nüüd on vaja juurtele veel jõudu ja tuleb see päike ka varsti välja. Üks tark mees ütles kord nii. Armumine võib üle minna, aga kui armunud tunnevad, et elu ilma teineteiseta on absoluutselt võimatu, siis on see armastus. Arvan, et sellel mehel oli õigus.
Must have been a year since I was thrown across an ocean far from home. Life is making no sense, riding in between the highs and lows. When I wake in the morning,
Mul on suur rõõm ja au teile tutvustada Verviläpset abielupaari perekond T-Aru.
Jealous of the way that blackbird flies free among the people. Those 250,000 stories pass me by. Lie awake in the moonlight. It's the last on my mind. And maybe what I miss most, it wasn't made of steel and stone. And maybe what I miss most, it wasn't born of skin and bone. Under the sun, above the waves, under 3 crowns when I'm far away. Maybe what I miss most, or maybe I'll never know. Or maybe you'll never know. Maybe you'll never know. I remember at the table, all those faces, where did they go? I imagine what it looks like when I'm not there. I remember every summer, but now the years are just a number. There's no backwards, time is faster with everything I've left behind. Oh, but maybe what I miss most, it wasn't made of steel and stone. And maybe what I miss most, it wasn't born of skin and bone. 'Cause